It's approximately 9:10 on Sunday night, and I've just got in from travelling 5 hours from Buckinghamshire back to Lincoln, where I am now. Sorry, my tripod was way too high. I had an amazing weekend with Becky and everyone else who I was with, like Amanda and that lot. Like I said in my video of the day, which I did on my phone, I went to go see The Lion King in 3D, which is totally worth seeing. It's so good. Because it's like that was like a part of our childhood. You know when things are going to happen in the film, but you still know, like, when Mufasa... Spoiler alert! When Mufasa dies, it still brought a little bit of a tear to my eye. It was proper... It's proper good, and like all the songs were back and I was just singing along. And Becky hated me singing because like I was waiting for the one moment and then I was just like... Can you feel the love tonight? The peace the evening brings. But I didn't really sound that good because that's a woman singing, and I'm not one of those. I really enjoyed my trip up and down actually, because like this is the first time I've got a train. Is it the first time I've got a train? I think it is the first time I've got a train to Buckinghamshire then back to Lincoln. And so I really enjoyed it because I had, like I said, I had my MacBook with me, and on 2 of the trains there was Wi-Fi, so I was like, YouTube, hell yeah. And so I was watching all of Modern Family, and so all the train journeys went really quick. And so it generally felt like half an hour, 45 minutes, when it was like 5 hours, because like you spend like an hour or so on a train, then you're rushing to get to the next train, and then you spend another hour on it, so it just seems to all merge together and go really quickly. On my way back, rather, I realised that I never really did vlogs using the camera on my Mac, and so I opened up Photo Booth, and I just noticed so many like filters that you can get. Basically, I'll just put in a couple of clips now that I recorded that I was on. Yeah. I also decided it was about time I did what Sophie does best and tried to do a lip-syncing video, and so that's where these clips come from.
This is how the story went. I met someone by accident who blew me away. Blew me away. And it was in the darkest of my days, when you took my sorrow, when you took my pain, buried them away, buried them away. Let's go!
My head is stuck in the clouds. She begs me to calm down, says, boy, quit fooling around.
Yes, that's pretty much all I've got time for today. Thanks very much for watching. Please comment, rate and subscribe, and hello to all you new subscriber people. Dylan Vlogs, you've recently subscribed and I've checked out your channel. You should definitely check him out, he's really cool. Links in the doobly-doo. Yeah, a YouTuber by the name of Another Day to Move On commented on one of my videos saying, I'm alright with whatever format of vlogs you do. Whatever vlogs you're going to have, you're not boring. So yeah, thanks very much for that. That meant a lot. So yeah, it's good to hear some positive feedback on my videos. Anyway, I'm rambling, so roll credits.
The Danish team has a 20-second advantage ahead. He does an excellent job of coming back on the run though. She's closed to about 5 boat lengths now as they head for the finish. But Trina still has to offload the penalty turn and is trying to do it right before the line. Has she got enough distance? She needs to get this spinnaker drop perfectly through and tap the boat round. But here comes Nikki. And it's jammed. The spinnaker is caught on the forestay. They can't get it down and onto the deck, and it's all gone wrong for the Danes. And there's Nikki Suter going through to cross the line and win the match. Despair for Trina Abrahamson as Nikki Suter and her rookie crew go through. This is Shield.
You know, I think halfway up that second bit, I thought
Hey.
His year has been.
He's a good boy. Oh, he's a good boy. Yes, you are. Oh, he's my beautiful little man. Oh, he's my beautiful little man.
the downturn and the poor weather. Next week they'll be lobbying the government.
Oh, he's a good boy. Okay, down you go. Come on, down. It's a good day. Good boy.